Assalamu alaikum. So I've been working in a monitor website uptime project. So which is an API actually, which lets users to manage and monitor website or services availability. So let's see how it works. So I've worked on this project and I've used raw Node.js without any framework to sharpen my raw Node.js skills. So at first we're going to create some users. So these users in the payload we can provide a first name, last name, and basic information is required for a user to create it. So this is the phone number is going to be used as a unique ID. Let's see how it works. So we can see that the user is created by like my database, which is the file system I'm using. That yeah, the user is created, and I'm also hashing the password that nobody knows which is the actual password. So the user is created. Now, if I want to read the user data, I try to read this. And authentication failed, valid token. Yeah, we need to create a token first, as this is a sensitive data. To token, we have to create a token using the unique identifier, which is the phone number. So this is the phone, and the password I also have to provide. Yeah, please, something has went wrong. Please check if the user exists or the token. Okay, yeah. So the phone number is not correct actually, because we have a different user. So we have to update the. So if I provide the correct phone number, yes, now we can see that we have a new token generated. There's some ID and all. ID and an expiration date, which is actually 1 hour from current time. So it will be expired after 1 hour. The token we have. So now let's try to see the user. We have to provide a correct user. We also have to update the correct token ID here. Yes, it's giving us the correct user details. If I want to update the user for some reason, I want to update the user. I want to update the correct user name. Yeah, maybe I want to update this user mission. This is the new payload. Okay, I have to provide a valid token. So the valid token is, do we have the token here? You can read the token ID from here. File system. User updated. If you see now users, yes, we see the first name and other information has been have been updated. Great. So we can update the user. We also let's create a new user. Okay. Okay. So now how can we delete a user? We can also delete a user. It's very similar to get. It's very similar to get these users. Yes. Very similar to get. We just need to change the method. Yes, user deleted. Now in the users, so we don't have any users as of now. So let's create another user, because we need some user to work with user. We also need to let me delete the previous token. We need to create some tokens. Yes. So what's the user we have? That's two. Yes. Token. This is the token that we need. So in the token flow, we can also, if we want, we can see the token details if you want. Change the token ID. Okay, it doesn't exist actually. We create a new token. Yeah, we can see that we can find the token, and it's the token information. And find the token information. If we want, we can also update the token, like update token in a sense that if we want to update the expiration time, like if we want to update a and it 1 more hour, we can also pass the token ID here and extend equal to true. So yeah, we can see that it is expiration time is this now 17371853. Want to re-update this. Yeah, 1889. I mean, it has extended the token for 1 more hour. And in this sense, we can also delete the tokens. Where is the token? It's very similar to get. Just need to change the method, and the token ID is this. Can be deleted. Yes, token doesn't exist anymore. Let us create a new token so that we can work with. Yeah, token created. So this is the new token for us. So so we have updated tokens and users. Now the main purpose of this, we have a user and we also have a token. We want to create a check. So what is a check? Check is actually a JSON file. Let's see how can we create a check. Check is actually a JSON file where we provide the user's phone number, protocol, and the URL which we want to check. We want to check whether this URL is up or down using this method, and we are expecting these success codes. And this is the timeout seconds. We want that request to uh, wait for 5 seconds, and if it takes more than 5 seconds, so we are going to consider that this website is down. This is the max amount of time we are going to wait in seconds. So let's create a new check file. We need to create this. Maybe 5 seconds. See, it works. Right. Okay, the token is not correct. We have to token. Let's provide the token here. Yeah, so the check file is created. We can also see verify this, that inside the check we have the JSON file created, which actually saves the data in the file system. Now what will happen in every minute, if I have, for instance, if I create another file, another check file for facebook.com or any other different data, it's going to be saved under this check folder. In every second, all of these check files is going to be checked. The file system will read these files and create a network requests, create network requests to this website URLs and compare the request response code that these requests are sending. And based on that, it's going to update the file. Like if we check it, last check, yes, we already see that in the database that these files are updating. I mean, it has tried to check this site and see its status is up, and this is also saving like last time when it was checked. So just for simplicity, let me manually make it down and see if the system detects whether this website is really up or down. Yep, yep. We can see that now status has been up, and the last time checked has been updated. And also, went wrong while sending the SMS. I need to check why it's not sending for some reason. So yeah, the problem was that I'm using a Twilio free trial account. So Twilio free trial account doesn't let me to send SMS without to any number except this one, which I have provided to my Twilio account. So now I've created a new user for this phone number. Also, I have the token for this number, and I also have created a check file which contains this user. We can see the protocol is google.com success course. So we can see that it has last time checked just now, and the status is up for Google, just for simplicity, and see if the SMS is sending. Let me just manually make it down and see if Twilio sends this SMS this time. So this is the payload I provided. I want to check whether google.com is up in this protocol, and I'm expecting any of these response codes, and I'm just going to wait for 5 seconds max. Yes, we can see that the status is now up, and the SMS is saying that google.com is now up, and this SMS has been sent to this phone number. So how this basically works is that the Twilio message is that, first of all, this is a method I have written for this sending this SMS. First of all, we are sending, we are validating this to phone number. Then we are validating the message, and if both are valid, so this is the payload that we're going to send. So this is the to phone number which we provide here. This is the from phone number we receive from the Twilio, and this is the message body. This is the request option. We are going to send along with the request. The content type has to be this one, and this is the path and this account still we get from the Twilio. So as HTTPS, we are going to send the request via HTTPS. So as this is a stream, we read the event data event here, get the response data, and once the end event is fired for this response, then we get the response JSON, and we receive the status code from here, and we callback function, we just pass the response code here. So as this is a trial account, so we get the status as queued if the SMS sending is successful. Otherwise, it gives us 400 and some other. So in this worker file, we update the check file, recent status up or down, and then if we check the status code of the SMS sending by Twilio, if it is queued, this means that this SMS has been sent. We can confirm the user. We can maybe add a logger here which will log this event, and if a status response code is something else than queued, this means that the SMS sending actually failed. So that's it from me. Thank you, and let me know if you have any feedback.